Ever sat in a dark room watching a movie projected on a wall and thought, wait, how is that tiny box throwing an entire movie onto that screen? Or maybe you've wondered what's actually inside a projector. Is it just a bulb and a mirror? Or is there an entire world of optics, heat, and color hidden inside? Today, we're tearing down a real projector piece by piece to uncover exactly how it transforms electrical signals into bright, moving images. Stay tuned, because what's inside will surprise you. Welcome back to Unboxed and Amp Rebuilt. If you love discovering what makes everyday tech tick, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. At its heart, a projector does one simple thing. It turns light into an image. But that's not as simple as it sounds. Light must first be generated, filtered, shaped, and then modulated, which means it's told where to shine and where not to. There are two major projector technologies that do this. 1. LCD, liquid crystal display, similar to how older monitors work. 2. DLP, digital light processing, which uses thousands of tiny mirrors to reflect light precisely. Each system uses a high-intensity lamp or LED that can reach temperatures over 200 degrees. This raw light is then sent through color filters and lenses before becoming the beautiful picture you see. Here's where it all begins, the lamp module. This is a metal halide or LED bulb designed to produce extremely bright white light. Some projectors even use laser diodes, which are more efficient and last longer. But with great brightness comes great heat. That's why projectors have complex cooling systems like fans, air ducts, and thermal sensors, working overtime to keep the internals cool. Take a look here. This fan pulls hot air out from the lamp housing, while these vents channel airflow to the image panels. Without this setup, the entire projector would melt within minutes. Now for the brains of the operation, the image engine. If it's an LCD projector, there are 3 tiny LCD panels, one for red, green, and blue. White light passes through color filters, splits into these 3 channels, and then recombines to form the full-color image. If it's DLP, it's even cooler. A DMD chip, digital micro-mirror device, covered in over 2 million microscopic mirrors, each mirror represents 1 pixel. These mirrors tilt thousands of times per second to reflect light either toward or away from the lens, creating light and dark pixels instantly. That's right. Your movie is being painted in light by millions of mirrors switching at lightning speed. Next, the lens system. Think of it as the camera in reverse. Instead of focusing light into a sensor, it's projecting light out onto a screen. These lenses are carefully aligned to focus and enlarge the image from just a few centimeters wide inside the projector to several meters across on your wall. Some projectors have zoom rings, focus wheels, and keystone correction to adjust image distortion, especially when the projector isn't placed directly in front of the screen. Even a single millimeter shift in the lens alignment can throw off focus, which is why projectors require precision engineering. In DLP projectors, you'll also find the color wheel. It's a spinning glass disc divided into red, green, blue, and sometimes white segments. As it spins, light passes through each segment in rapid sequence. The DLP chip syncs perfectly with this rotation, creating full-color frames so quickly your eyes blend them together into a continuous image. Fun fact, this synchronization happens at speeds up to 7,200 RPM faster than most car engines at idle. Finally, here's where the video magic starts. The main board. It handles HDMI, VGA, or wireless signals, processes the image data, and tells the DLP or LCD engine exactly what to display at every millisecond. The chips here handle gamma correction, color mapping, and even keystone geometry. It's like having a mini computer inside your projector. So when you connect your laptop or gaming console, you're actually talking to a full digital signal processor working behind the scenes. So there you have it, a tiny box of light, mirrors, and magic that turns electricity into cinema. Would you have guessed it's this complex inside? If you enjoyed this teardown, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with another tech enthusiast. Tell us in the comments what device should we take apart next. Until next time, keep exploring the tech behind the tools you use every day, right here on Unboxed and Amp, Rebuilt.